According to Plato, truth is the central reality. Truth is perfect. It cannot therefore be found in the world of matter because the material world is both imperfect and constantly changing. Plato did not think that people create knowledge, rather they discover knowledge. Socrates believed that everybody has a wealth of knowledge. They may have forgotten it, and that teachers need to question students so they can remember the forgotten information. Emmanuel believed that knowledge is gained through reasoning and questioning. When students reason, they will gain knowledge. Martin believed to be educated, you have to engage in conversation that stretches back in time. It's not where it happens or how it happens. Education happens over time. With education, it's the development of an intellectual and moral habits through give and take of conversation. Socrates and Plato believed that learning is best achieved through dialogue or conversation. Teachers do not just teach the subject, but teachers are needed to challenge learners' beliefs through a series of questions that lead learners to reflect on their beliefs, their principles, and discover gaps and contradictions in their beliefs. As an example, one group of students investigate the spring balance system with the help of a teacher who assumes the role of the Socratic tutor, who prescribes immediate and intelligent feedback based on the Socratic questioning method. A second group of students investigate the spring balance system with the help of the Socratic tutor, as well as the assistance of a articulation tool that provides direct instruction about problems similar to the spring balance systems. In both groups, all students improved. However, students who received help of the Socratic dialogue improved their understanding of the surface level and did not achieve a more abstract understanding of the critical attributes. However, the other group, students were assisted by the Socratic dialogue and carefully structured problems significantly improved both surface level and abstract understanding concerning the principle. When students need to better understand technical problems and abstract principles, Socratic dialogue needs to be enhanced by carefully structured and supporting problems, such as with questioning. Remember that realism is a school of philosophy that holds that reality, knowledge, and real values exist independently of the human mind. Realism focuses on scientific research and reality that can be measured with standardized tests, textbooks, specialized curriculum. Schools can promote realism by requiring students to study organized bodies of knowledge, by using teaching methods of arriving at this knowledge, and by assisting students to reason critically through observation, experimentation, and through questioning. Realism is subject-centered curriculum that studies natural science, social science, humanities, instrumental subjects such as logic and inductive reasoning. Teachers need to present information in an organized and systematic way that promotes the ideas of the knowledge being taught, that is clearly defined through reasoning to make judgment. Aristotle thought that ideas are formed through the study of the world of matter. He believed that one could acquire knowledge of ideas or forms by investigating the matter or investigating the subjects they are interested in. To understand an object, you must understand its absolute form, which is unchanging, such as the tulip. Tulips share universal properties with other tulips and every other flower. However, the particular properties of a tulip differentiate from other flowers: the shape, the stem size, the leaves size, the color. These properties are the parts you would have to investigate to differentiate it from different tulips and other flowers. John Locke believed that everybody was a blank slate when they were born. And as you investigate the topics or subjects, you are learning and making impressions on your blank slate. He also believed that shapes represent the world and colors have a basis in the world but do not represent the world. Alfred Whitehead was a philosopher and mathematician. He attempted to reconcile some of the conflict tenets of idealism and realism. He proposed a process to the central aspect of realism. He did not see objective reality and subjective reality as a separate. He believed they were together, organic unity that operates by its own principles. He also believed that the universe is characterized by patterns and that these patterns can be verified or analyzed through mathematics.